For a long time, GoPros have been considered the gold standard of action cameras. And at this point, if you ask anyone anything about action cameras, the word GoPro would most likely be at the tip of their tongue. However, as we are all painfully aware, brand recognition does not come cheap. And with that, the search for a worthy alternative that provides many of the same features while keeping the price lower is something that's been happening ever since its debut. With that in mind, in our video today, we've come up with a list of 7 GoPro alternatives that you should consider. So without further ado, let's begin. With its impeccable image quality day or night, courtesy of a large 1.3-inch sensor, the DJI Osmo Action 4 is a remarkable GoPro alternative that captures stunning 4K footage and photos with breathtaking detail from dawn to dusk. Vivid, true-to-life colors are achieved through 10-bit D-Log M color performance, letting you elevate your videos with dazzling golden sunrises and vibrant sunsets. Tackling extreme environments is no problem with the Osmo Action 4, which can withstand frigid temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius while recording up to 150 minutes non-stop, ensuring every thrilling moment is captured even in harsh conditions. Immersive 4K 120 FPS footage and an ultra-wide 155 FOV put you right in the center of the action, whether you're riding waves or showing off tricks. The magnetic quick-release feature lets you effortlessly switch between horizontal and vertical positions in seconds, unlocking unprecedented creative freedom. 3 stabilization modes provide steady shots, whether you're traversing rugged terrain or performing daring stunts, delivering crystal clear footage. New updates like pre-rec, capturing footage before you hit record, and highlight tagging cater perfectly to fishing and other outdoor enthusiasts. Overall, the DJI Osmo Action 4 is a top-notch action camera alternative with impressive features for adventurers and content creators.
Did you know that 73% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
A solid GoPro alternative, the Logitech Mevo Start delivers stunning 1080p HD video and crisp, detailed imaging right out of the box for live streaming and recording. With its portable go-anywhere design, you can live stream from anywhere in the world thanks to built-in Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and LTE connectivity from your smartphone. The intelligent mobile app gives you full control with handy features like Auto Director to craft compelling content. Multicam streaming is made easy by connecting up to 3 Mevo Start cameras to create broadcast-quality videos with multiple angles. Clean, clear audio is captured through the onboard mic, or you can connect external audio for advanced setups. Seamlessly integrate into any streaming workflow with handy modes like webcam and support for RTMP and NDI and HX protocols. Simultaneously stream to top platforms like YouTube, Twitch, and Facebook with just a few taps. Portable, versatile, and equipped with a powerful app for easy control, the Mevo Start packs professional streaming features into on-the-go live broadcasting. For content creators and adventurers seeking a capable GoPro alternative, the Mevo Start delivers impressive HD streaming in a compact form factor. The Olympus Tough TG6 is a remarkable GoPro alternative for adventurers and thrill seekers seeking a durable, waterproof action camera. This compact camera is waterproof to depths of 50 feet, dustproof, shockproof from 7 feet, crushproof up to 100 kgf, and freezeproof down to 14 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ready to capture vivid photos and video in the most extreme environments without worry. Its high-resolution f2.0 lens with an 8x maximum zoom and back-illuminated CMOS sensor delivers excellent image quality from macro to telephoto. Variable macro modes get you as close as 1 centimeter from the subject for stunning details. Underwater microscope and white balance modes ensure richly colored underwater shots down to depths of 50 feet. Versatile video features allow you to record immersive 4K movies in full HD slow motion up to 120 FPS to relive the action. With up to 340 shots per charge, you can keep shooting all day long. For adventurers in challenging conditions where a GoPro might not survive, the tough TG6 brings waterproof, shockproof durability, plus excellent optics and shooting modes to capture your exploits in vivid detail. Its tough build and impressive imaging make it a go-to for thrill seekers wanting a worry-free action camera. Capturing breathtaking 4K footage at 120 FPS is easy with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, a stunning GoPro alternative. Its 1-inch CMOS sensor delivers stunning clarity in both day and night shots, while the 2-inch touchscreen rotates to help frame perfect horizontal and vertical compositions. Ultra-steady videos are achieved through advanced 3-axis mechanical stabilization, letting you dance, hike, and more without shaky footage. Vloggers will love the upgraded Active Track 6.0, which keeps you automatically centered in the frame even while moving. Fast, accurate autofocus ensures sharp clarity, whether you're filming action scenes or still shots. Advanced features like D-Log M, 10-bit color depth, and 1 billion colors unlock professional-grade color grading capabilities, ideal for capturing vivid sunrises and sunsets. Immersive stereo audio pairs crystal-clear sound with your videos. Despite its compact, convenient pocket size and long battery life, the feature-packed Osmo Pocket 3 delivers gimbal-smooth 4K footage and impressive creative capabilities in a portable form factor. For content creators seeking professional results from a user-friendly go-anywhere camera, the Osmo Pocket 3 is a top-notch GoPro alternative. Weighing just 35 grams, the tiny yet mighty Insta360 Go 3 puts a versatile action camera in the palm of your hand. Its ultra-compact size lets you capture hands-free 2.7K POV footage anywhere, from mountain biking adventures to cute pet videos and travel vlogs. A clever magnetic design and included accessories like the magnet pendant and easy clip give you endless creative mounting possibilities to capture unique angles that are impossible with bulkier cameras. Stick it to helmets, clothes, gear, and more for immersive point-of-view shots. The multifunctional action pod extends battery life to 170 minutes, while providing a flip touchscreen, remote control, and live preview. Its identical magnetic mount to the camera itself allows for seamless transitioning between handheld and stationary capture. Despite its miniature size, the feature-packed Go 3 delivers stabilized 2.7K video and 14-megapixel photos with HDR for crisp, vivid imaging. Waterproof and durable, this pocket-sized powerhouse is ready for any exploit. For content creators and adventurers seeking an ultra-portable yet capable action camera for unique POV shots, the Insta360 Go 3 is a standout GoPro alternative in a tiny take-anywhere package. A feature-packed GoPro alternative, the Wolfang GA400 delivers versatile performance for adventurers and content creators. Touting an 8-megapixel bare-body waterproof design, you can dive up to 40 meters deep with the included case, or splash freely case-free in shallow waters. Crisp 4K 60 FPS video and 20-megapixel photos capture exciting exploits in stunning detail. The 6-axis EIS stabilization produces smooth, shake-free footage when mountain biking, surfing, and more. Despite its ruggedness, the GA400 sports an anti-scratch lens, plus a protective color to prevent abrasions when the action gets intense. A responsive touchscreen makes changing settings a breeze. Packed with convenient capture modes like auto-record, time-lapse, slow motion, and more, the GA400 unleashes creativity. Whether you're trekking across forests or snorkeling colorful reefs, the Wolfang GA400 provides advanced features like 4K and EIS in a travel-ready package. While budget-friendly, it doesn't compromise on quality or versatility. For adventurers and content creators seeking a rugged, feature-rich GoPro alternative without the premium price tag, the Wolfang GA400 delivers stellar value and performance for capturing every exploit in stunning clarity. And finally, a rock-solid GoPro alternative, the Akaso Brave 8, delivers upgraded performance for adventurers seeking superior 4K footage. It captures ultra-sharp 4K 60 FPS video and 48 megapixel photos through its 1/2-inch CMOS sensor and 9-layer glass lens array. Vivid colors and crisp details let you relive every stunning moment. Waterproof down to 33 feet without a case, it's ready for surfing, snorkeling, and more aquatic adventures. Dual-color screens make framing shots a breeze. Advanced super smooth stabilization produces gimbal smooth videos, ideal for mountain biking and other vibration-prone activities. Fun shooting modes like 8K time-lapse and Super 16x slow-mo unleash new creative possibilities. Multi-view modes allow switching between super wide, portrait, and narrow angles to suit different scenes. The wireless remote control provides live previews and control from afar. With a complete accessory kit and 2 long-lasting batteries included, the Brave 8 is ready for every exploit right out of the box. While budget-friendly, it delivers superb stabilization, wireless control, and professional 4K quality for capturing vivid adventures. For adrenaline junkies seeking stellar value and a durable, feature-packed 4K action cam, the Akaso Brave 8 is a remarkable GoPro alternative worth the investment. So those were our picks for the 7 GoPro alternatives that you should check out. Which one of these cameras would you be going with, and why? Do let us know, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.